Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap View Park-Windsor Hills local and long-distance movers near me. We provide the right experienced long-distance moving solutions to help make your move a lot easier. Hiring our crew to help you means your cross-country relocation will go efficiently. The best moving services make all the difference, and our staff offer just what you need for your upcoming move. If you're looking for a standard move or a full-service move, we offer all the options you require, including packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It's not always easy to rationalize the price when hiring a California moving company. However, if you start to realize the advantages, the price seems to be well worth it. You will certainly save time with your local move if you hire a moving company. Movers can also make sure you don't have to think about injury, since you will not need to do any heavy lifting. Our team of qualified movers will definitely make sure your move is quite efficient. If you would like an efficient moving day, 3 Movers is the best option for you. Moving locally may be very quick, and our crew can handle even a big move in just a single morning. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our View Park-Windsor Hills moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.